got our day started a little late on day 2 because of a little jet lag, and let's just say a little bit of the local beverages.
It's wonderful.
But since we had already seen Parque Eduardo, Ada Bifana, we were already ahead of schedule. So we decided to start our day by going over to Hokey Church in Barrio Alto. The church's plain and simple exterior does nothing to foreshadow the style inside. The quiet exterior hides one of the best decorated and most expensive churches in Portugal. Hokey Church is one of the first Jesuit churches constructed in Portugal and one of the earliest anywhere in the world. The most significant addition to the Hokey Church was the construction of the chapel St. John the Baptist. When you enter the church, make sure you look up and see the architecture and artwork done by Alfonso Alvarez and improved by King Philip I of Portugal in 1588.
Yo, what's going on? Got a late start today, but it's okay. You know why? Because we knocked out stuff that we were going to do today. We knocked it out yesterday. So, we got a little late start, but now we are going to go eat.
Once you leave Hokey Church, you can walk across the street and you enter the alleyways of Barrio Alto. We were going there to check out Pasteis de Nata and Chiado, but on the way there, we walked in the alleyway and we ran into a place called Pop's Cereal, so we decided to go check it out. Pop's Cereal Cafe is a really fun experience. They have a variety of cereals you can choose from, and you can make your own bowl or just try a suggestion from the menu. This place is not only for breakfast. You may come here for a different kind of lunch or dinner. We came at 4:30. This place has an old school decor, and you may even have a bowl of cereal in bed. Pop's Cereal Cafe is definitely one of those places that bring back memories of Saturday morning as a kid watching cartoons. Even though we had a great experience at Pop's Cereal Cafe, we decided to get back on track and head down to Chiado to get our Pasteis de Natas at Montegonia. Montegoria is a small bakery in the Chiado neighborhood. This place is said to have the best Pasteis de Natas in Portugal. The secret to this bakery's success are the ingredients: whole eggs, butter rather than margarine, plenty of sugar, and no preservatives.
Pasteis de Nata. Oh, I'm sorry.
That tastes like little apple pie, little Debbie's apple pie. There's these food tastes just like that. Yeah, that's good. You were right.
I told you.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's good. You know what? It reminds me of, there's a pie in the United States called Wick Sugar Cream Pie. It's not really, you don't find it in a lot of stores, and it's good and it's expensive. That tastes like a custard, sugar cream,
like a custard
pie. That's good.
Once we left Montegonia, we walked around town, checked out a few of the shops in the area, got some drone footage, took some photos, and decided that we wanted to go back to the hotel and drop off our equipment. I'm a sunset guy, so I definitely wanted to go check out a view of the Tagus River. So a local had told us about a place called Miradouro Santa Catalina, so I definitely wanted to go here and check that out. Miradouro Santa Catalina is one of the many viewpoints that you can find along the Tagus River in Lisbon. Also known as Autumn Monster, locals and tourists come here to see the prettiest and most unforgettable sunset in the city with music, conversation, and good company. Lisbon is a great city. It's laid back, hipster vibe, just gives me a great feeling, and I can see why a lot of digital nomads and expats are trying to move here. So for the rest of the night, we decided to enjoy the view and hang out and get a couple drinks.
Still drinking, still paying, still living.
But then check this out. You can tell where Rio gets its influence from. Look over there. Yeah.
Boyz, we're international.